Hello and welcome back to another episode of Handy Dandy Repairs Profit or Loss series. Today we are looking at a PS5 Pro, which I actually only paid $50 for. An absolute bargain. So it's at this point that I realise we have no audio. So I'm just going to do a quick voiceover and we're going to speed through this episode. So as you can see, we're missing a HDMI port. We're also missing the side cover there, and you can see the NVMe cover is also a bit bent, so we will get them replaced later on. So now that we've got it apart, we're going to have a look under the microscope. And this is what we're dealing with. So as you can see, it's not too bad. None of the traces are missing or anything like that. It's just a little bit scratched up, a little bit of bad flux. So first thing we're going to do is hit it with some hot air, and that's going to allow us to clean off that old flux and stuff. And we're going to come through and wick up all the old solder from the ground plane, the ground holes, and all the pads and everything in between. And we'll do the same from the back. A little bit of hot air here helps us clear those naughty ones that just don't want to come out. Give it a clean, flip it back over, and we'll clean up all these scratches. So we'll apply some UV mask over the top of the scratches where we don't want exposed, or where shouldn't be exposed. Hit that with the UV light, come through and re-tin everything with some leaded solder, tin the port as well. Then we need to find a capacitor to replace the one missing above the pads on the left there. So we find this one here, 100 nanofarad, put that on, put the port on at the same time, hold it down, take away the heat, then clean up the back pads, or the pins that go through, give everything a nice clean up all the flux, check the pins one by one, make sure they're all solid, which they are, give it a nice look inside the port, all clean in there, all good. Then we can give the APU a bit of a polish, and re-spread the liquid metal on that, so that it's all good to go. Do the same on the die here, quick polish, clean, vacuum, blow out, whatever. Give it a polish, it's all good to go, and we can start reassembling. And then it's at this point here that I realise we should probably give it a test before fully reassembling. So we do that, sync up a controller, and it's working. As you can see, we have an image on the screen, so that's a fix. And we'll have a look at the spreadsheet. We've got a PS5 Slim. We paid $50 for it. We spent 50 cents on the port, and hopefully we make a nice profit on that. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and bell notifications, some other mumbo jumbo, and we will see you in the next one.